Good evening, students. So now we will learn how to find the unknown side of each rectangle. Okay. So now we will understand how to find the length if area is given and breadth is given, and how to find breadth if area is given and length is given. Okay. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, and length equals to area of rectangle divided by breadth. So as we know, area of rectangle is length into breadth, and length, if we want to find the length, then we will divide area of rectangle by its breadth, and if we want to find breadth, then we will divide area of rectangle by length. Okay, so here question number 1, area is given 96 meters square. Okay, and breadth is given. We have to find the perimeter and unknown side. So area of rectangle is 96 meters square and breadth is 8 meters. So length equals to area of rectangle upon breadth, that is 96 meter upon 8. So what we will do, we will divide the area of rectangle by breadth. If breadth is given, then we will divide the area of rectangle by breadth to find the length. So here length is 12 meter, and if we want to find the perimeter, then what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? That is 2l plus b. So we will put value, we will find the sum of length and breadth, that is 20. We will multiply it by 2. Similarly, here area is given 63 centimeters square. So we have to find the length is given, so we have to find the breadth. So what we will do, we will divide area by length, that is 63 divided by 9, that is 7. So we will find the perimeter 2l plus b. First of all, we will find the sum, then we will multiply it by 2. The area of rectangular picture frame is 216. So area of rectangular picture frame is 216 and length is 18 centimeter. Here it is asking for breadth. So breadth is equals to area upon length, that is 216 divided by 18, breadth is 12. Means if length is given, area is given, then how we will find the breadth? Area divided by length. If area is given, length is given, then how we will find the breadth? We will divide area by length to find the breadth of the rectangle.